Somewhere out there are objects so heavy that they punch a hole in reality itself. Fall into one, and you don't just die. You reach a place where the universe stops having a word for next. Tonight's file, what a black hole really is, what happens as you fall in, and the honest answer to what waits at the center. Welcome to You High on Info. A black hole isn't a cosmic vacuum cleaner. It's just gravity, taken to an unthinkable extreme. Crush enough mass into a small enough space, and its gravity becomes so strong that to escape it, you'd have to move faster than light. And nothing can. Around it sits an invisible line called the event horizon. It's not a wall, you'd feel nothing crossing it. It's a point of no return. Cross it and every possible path, every direction you could ever move, now leads inward. Escape isn't hard. It's simply no longer one of the options the universe offers you. So let's fall in. As you drop toward a smaller black hole, gravity pulls your feet harder than your head because they're closer. That difference stretches you gently at first, then brutally, until you're pulled into a long, thin thread. Physicists have a wonderfully grim name for it: spaghettification. For a giant black hole, though, the fall is eerily calm. You could cross the horizon without noticing a thing, still falling through the dark. But behind you, the universe would look strange, light bending, the sky shrinking to a bright ring above, the way out closing like a door made of stars. Now flip it around. To a friend watching from a safe distance, you would never actually fall in. As you approach the horizon, they'd see you slow down, your light stretching and reddening, until you appear to freeze, hovering at the edge forever, dimming. So there are two truths at once. You fall straight through, and you hang frozen at the border for eternity. Near a black hole, even time stops agreeing with itself. And the center. Here's where a good science channel has to be honest. We don't know. Our best equations say all the mass collapses to a single point of infinite density. But infinite is usually math's way of screaming that the theory has broken. At the center of a black hole, the two great pillars of physics, gravity and the quantum world, contradict each other, and neither one can tell us what's really there. So the deepest inside of a black hole isn't just hidden by darkness. It's hidden behind the edge of human knowledge itself, one of the last true blanks on our map of reality. We've even photographed them now. Not the inside, but the shadow, a dark circle ringed in glowing light, exactly where the math said it would be. Everything about them sounds impossible, and every time we look closer, they're real. The universe is stranger than we're allowed to imagine, and it keeps proving it. A hole where next runs out is out there right now, quietly turning. If you want more of how the world actually works, this is the channel for it. I'll see you in the next file.